He's staring right at the light though, which I don't like.
Mm.
Oh, good boy. Oh. You're okay, Donut. You're okay. Don't you roll on him. Oh, she wants to lean against him.
Are you petting the dog?
He likes it though. He likes how it feels, like his hand hit against his hand. He smiled huge when I first put it on there. Is this your body, Donut? Aww. Aww. Is that your doggy? Aww. Good girl, sit down. Good girl. Is that your buddy? Is the dog your buddy? Aww. Sit down and get out of it. Oh, is it your buddy, the doggy? Is it Sedona? Oh, he likes Sedona, huh? That's like the most I've ever seen him smile. Oh, is it so fun? Do you like the dog? Huh.
Are you spitting up?
Spitting out? You better drink that back down. Where's Sedona? Where's Sedona the puppy? Oh. What is it?
Are you talking?
Oh. Sedona, watch your paws. Good girl. Oh, buddy. Is it Sedona? Is it Sedona?
He's so cute.